Hello everybody, Mark Schreier with Century 21 American Homes Real Estate with today's video topic. I would say congratulations, you made it through the home sales process. You've gone through the mortgage phase, you secured your mortgage, you got the commitment, the closing date is set, and now you have the final walkthrough. Today we're going to discuss the final walkthrough and what's the purpose of it and why do you do it. Usually a final walkthrough is done right before you're about to go to the closing table. You want to make sure that everything in the house or the condo or co-op is exactly what you agreed on. If repairs were supposed to be done, you want to check and make sure those repairs have been done. If there was furniture in the apartment and now it's empty and you expected it to be empty, you want to look around the doorway, the door jambs, the floors. Make sure there's no gouges from the moving, nothing has been broken. You want to check appliances. If there's a dishwasher, turn it on, make sure it works. Washing machine, dryer, turn them on. You don't have to let them run a full cycle, but just turn them on, make sure they get power, and make sure the water comes in and things of that nature and goes out. Turn on the faucets, the kitchen sink. Make sure you get hot and cold running water. Flush the toilets, make sure they work. You can also check all windows and things of that nature. There's a long list. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a copy. I'm going to put a link on the bottom of this page. Right on the bottom of the video, there'll be a link to a transactional checklist that you can actually go through the house, have this with you, and just check off, does it work? Is it okay? If not, comments. So when you go to the closing table, if, let's say, the dishwasher was working and you agreed upon that was part of the sale, it was on the MLS listing form, dishwasher, it should have been in working condition. And if it was, then when you go to the closing table and now it's not working, that's something you want to bring up, and either they'll give you a credit, they'll repair it, or whatever you decide at the closing table. But you just want to make sure you go in there being proactive, that you are able to protect yourself. You know everything that the house has that's working order and not working order. I hope I didn't confuse it too much on that. This is Mark Schreier from Century 21 American Homes, and I'll talk to you on the next video. Hello. Yes, I'm talking to you, the person that watched my video to the very end. Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like me on Facebook. I am a licensed real estate agent in New York State, but I also have a referral service that deals nationwide. So if you're looking to buy or sell a house anywhere in the United States, please send me a text, contact me via phone, and I'll set you up with a local professional in your area. If you're in my vicinity, I'd be more than happy to help you out in any of your real estate transactions that you'd like. This is Mark Schreier from Century 21 American Homes, and I'll talk to you soon.